Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you all the weird and wonderful ways that you can find jobs on Glassdoor. Alright, so there are a few ways of doing this, and it depends on what it is that you're looking for and what situation or circumstance you're in. So the first method is logging into Glassdoor. Of course, you need to have an account, and at the top you'll see jobs. Now go and click on jobs, and here you will be able to see every type of job that will fit your type of profile. Now, when you created your Glassdoor account, you added in what you actually specialize in. So in my case, it's a social media manager as an example. And here you will see everything that applies to a social media manager. Okay. On the left-hand side, these are all the jobs. And here is the job description. So go through there and look for a job that actually suits your needs. But if you want to be more specific, you can actually go and find a perfect job right over here that fits your needs more accurately. So let's type in here, for example, we're going to type in YouTube. You'll also see as you type it in, there's a bunch of different suggestions that you get here. So YouTube Marketing Manager. Let's go and click on that. You will now see that you will have to add a location. So again, add a location. So if you are going to be doing remote, then make sure that you are adding a location where the company may be situated that you're looking for, or maybe that you think is the more popular region. So just for example purposes, I'm saying United States. Now, as you can see, once you've entered this in here, on the right-hand side of that location, you'll see a little filters option. Here, you can filter out the easy apply only, remote only, salary range, company rating, date that it's been posted, cities, industries, job function, seniority levels, company size. And here you can really go and filter out all of the junk that you don't want within your search. Once you've done that, you can go and find a job that you feel is best suited for you. My advice is, when you are using these filters, make sure that the date posted is within the last 3 days at least. That's one filter that is extremely important. Now, what will happen is all of the jobs that are here, you will see are only posted within 3 days. Now, another way of doing this is going to companies at the top over here. And if you're clicking on companies here, you'll have an option of choosing work-life balance, diversity and inclusion, or compensation and benefits. So I'm going to go and look for work-life balance. These are companies that, that uphold work-life balance. Here, you can go and look for a company. Again, on the left-hand side, you can see you can search for a company, you can search for a location, industry, job title, job function. There's tons of options, company rating, demographic, group rating, global, company size, and there's tons of filters that you can go through and look for. But if you're looking for a particular company, let's say perhaps you're looking for Google or Microsoft and it's not listed here, go ahead and dial it in over here. Once you have done that, you've found a company that you would like to be employed by, let's say Google, for example. Go ahead and click on the company, and you will now see the company's Glassdoor account. Here you can see their overview, reviews, and boom, jobs. Now click on jobs. You can see that there are 4,900 jobs available at Google. And here you can look through them, but again, we can start searching for particular job titles. We can have a look at different job functions, dates that it was posted, and then how it's actually being presented to you. So let's say most recent. And here you can see 24 hours ago, there was a senior software engineer posted, a UX writer and content designer, a product manager. And as you go and look through all of this, you can go and click on whatever job it is that you would like to apply for potentially. And once you click on it, it'll open up, and here you can apply on the employer's site. Now, sometimes you can do this. Sometimes this won't be available. You can only apply through Glassdoor, and you can read through all of its details. As you can see, tons of details about the job, about the company. And once you're done, you can actually apply for this job, and then you can wait and hope that you'll get a reply. Make sure that you're applying for multiple jobs at a time, because it costs nothing except for your time, and you'll increase your chances of actually getting a response. I hope this was helpful.